Shut up and sit down.
Hi guys! Hi! Oh wow!
Overseas.
Wow. Amazing kayo today because we're back sa studio. Pero the pandemic is still going on outside.
Yes.
Si Hochi, nasa sa laing multiverse pa. So, it's so nice seeing you guys. I am actually here with... Kasi yung mga palang ngayatian mo. Pero sino ba? Saan naman ron? What name do you go by?
Eduardo mo ka, di ba?
My alter is
So, buhi pa dyan sila. I was not expecting. I really thought pre-recorded ito among first episode.
Sadly, we're alive.
Correct.
We also have Jude.
Hi,
We also have Jude
Yay!
behind the screen. Pagkita, Jude.
Bakit ang June?
Dili ran. Kuan ha?
Yeah.
Tara si Jude.
Hi, Jude.
So, Moni siya. So, we're gonna be tackling the, ano to, MILF?
MMFF.
MMFF. Okay.
I'm in the left.
MILF. MMFF. Dili ko mismo familiar and I have to apologize to my team kay I wasn't with them during the promotions because nakoy back injury. Wala si Jung yun. Wala K-pop stands, char. So wala kay ko sa promotions kay nag-surge na po ang COVID. Yeah. As a nerd.
I'm gonna spread the virus.
Ako naman dyan, wala pa nadaktan din to mag-adog sila. Kabantay mo, na mo friend na positive na ba yun?
Wala, di ba?
Wala pa,
That's
di ba?
fine.
Wala.
Wala, di ko
Yung kalimot
nag-positive. Wala mo ko nag-positive.
Wala pa ta. Ikaw na-positive na ka, Jude? Wala pa, no? Wala pa po si Jude. Wala sa table 12. Wala sa table 12 na positive. This is very negative. Nindot. So, apply mo sa table 12 para di mo magka-positive.
Yes, we're safe.
Ang bakuna.
Lagi itong fact
Dinitig pa bakuna ting luwa mi. So, kung muluwa mi ninyo, ma-immune mo
Yes.
sa virus.
The virus.
Virus na, di ba? Tingnan mo ito ka president.
Virus.
I really admire him ba ya? Anyway, so wala siya. So,
Okay na.
paspas kami?
Mukha na, malihok naman. Malihok namin.
Dili kayo familiar kung unsa ng MMFF. Like, the core, kamo kay, kuan man mo,
Bisaya
art-centered, film-centered, very kuan, with regards to arts. And that's part of arts po, di ba? Ako more on healthcare, I grew up in healthcare multiverse.
Sa una na magunan na yung problema dyan ng MMFF.
So there's an issue there. Unsa ko na siya basically?
It's a movie festival, di ba? Every December.
It's a festival.
Yeah, it's a film festival.
Film festival.
So people get to enjoy the creations made by filmmakers,
Filipino
Yes.
film.
done by actors, ana dito.
Yes.
Then unsa ba siya? Is that a contest or something?
It
Yeah,
is
it
in
is
a
a
way a
contest.
contest.
There is a
Best
contest.
Actress.
After
best
the
actor.
season, there is an awards night
Mm-mm.
for best actors of film.
Oh yeah, I heard that. I'm not trying to make myself sound Pinoy siya pero di siya kabalo. No, it's just that there are some people who are well versed and adapted magumayning ana. Ako mismo,
Multiverse.
sa akong standpoint, dili siya important kayo para na po. Pero important siya. I know it's important. Pero mura ba, it's something na, okay, I can just like put it off later. Kaya tungod, I'm not very well versed mining ana. But then, I want to educate myself and learn ba na kung saan siya ka-important ni mining ani. And I think hopefully, if napatay mga semblance of seriousness nato, no? Napatay hint of seriousness nato, makuha na to, kung para pag ma-advocate nato ang film industry, because I think it's a dying breed, especially during the pandemic. Dying breed, it's a dying art. It's a dying art. It's endangered species, I guess. For me, I think it's a very endangered species kaya na yung mga streaming platforms ito dali na kayo ka mawili ang mga streaming especially ka mga international
Correct.
kuan like kalabihan sa mga workmates kay drama and I don't think that's nice if we tend to forget a part of our culture.
I think we have to start talking about it pod. Kay Table 12 is transitioning to film.
Films. Yes. And you'll know more about that later on. Okay, mag-plug.
So, ang question is, which we posted on our social media accounts on Facebook and Instagram. Do you agree with the public opinion made during the MMFF 2021 that Philippine cinema has lost its appeal, and should the Philippine film industry step up and take the challenge?
So, here's one of the responses. They should have taken this as a challenge. Dili ka ipaagi og pakiluoy nga palihog please lantaw na lang good mo kay Pilipino bitaw tatanan. Charis sakto na ba to na tone of voice?
Sabi yung characterization.
Thank you. Bitaw. Sadyang naadid yung mga bati nga films. Pero naapod jud mo yung mga nindot pud kaayo oy. Wala lang natagaan chance to have that large audience. Unsa may iyang mga gipasabot ani? Especially kanina part o gipaagi og pakiluoy. Ano man? Has that been a theme?
I think
Has that been a running
statement last time regarding
Yeah.
that on the web.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what they posted. If someone with not the research.
Kasi niya the statement that
Like there was it was during the awarding manggod. It was during the awarding, like one of the directors murag niingon siya nga kay di ba kay low turnout ang MMFF.
Kaya wala ang
Kay bati do lagi MMFF. And then one of the directors said nga support local na lang good. Like support Filipino films na lang. Support your local artists. So muna kanang murag I think gapakiluoy in a sense nga because we're Filipinos we have to support it. Just because we're Filipinos. Just because we're Filipinos, murag
bito dili po dagweta mo agi ana statement no na support our artists, support our local artists lang.
Correct.
Siguro I think we should change that mentality to support quality.
I don't like the sentiment ng word support the MMFF just because they're Filipino films.
Yeah.
Correct.
Not all of the films are that good.
And make sure that it is worth it
Yeah.
nga. Kailangan kong supportahan. Because people are paying for the movie,
Exactly.
di ba?
So they pay for the movies.
Yes.
Yeah.
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 They have to pay.
I think kuan man di ba? Ma-awardan ka kung daghan kag hits.
Box office.
Okay, I get it now. I am so ignorant.
Dira na kuan si Vice
Vice
ganda kay
ganda.
kuan man siya. Pero man siya mang box office iyang mga
So he wins a lot of awards. Sorry, she wins a lot of awards.
Yes.
I think she does. Especially kung mga
I noticed every
Box
year
office,
nasa
box
entry
office.
jud, no?
box
Who
office.
gets to decide kung saang entry?
At least the films, each production
People.
companies, and then pilian na siya sa
Talaan
mga-
siya.
na MMFF na mga
Board.
jurors, board,
Mhm.
and then they pick which films get to join the official lineup for the films.
Mhm.
Are these kinds of industries, are these kinds of events discussed katong gaskwela pa mo sa inyong arts? Because they're enrolled in art courses man before back in college.
Dili man dyan siya ma-discuss ang MMFF sa mga theater.
Ay oo.
It's not like
Pero aware mo, ano?
aware ng MMFF.
Of course, you're more aware.
Ang
than me.
MMFF bata pa mga good meday naana na siya. Naana gyud mga sa shake rattle and roll
Yeah.
mo nang may
Yeah.
Oh, I
Enteng
love
Kabisote.
that. I love that.
Enteng Kabisote.
And then kabisote. Season 1, 2, 3, 4 hanton ni dagko na lang.
Masyad pa
I grew up in a household where
Mm-hmm.
I grew up in a household kasi na where TV is very restricted.
Ay, okay.
Very restricted. Di po mi ka-afford kayo cable sa una, bata pa.
That's so sad.
It was a sad childhood.
Is it because you're gay?
Look how I turned out.
gay?
Look how I turned out. I'm gay.
Is that why you're gay?
So for parents who don't want gay kids, buy cable.
Yeah, have cable
So
too.
muna siya, bitaw. I like this comment. Oo. Padala ka ng t-shirt kasi yung comment ani.
Okay, t-shirt.
Kahit t-shirt pero ginamit ha. I watched the kun maupay man it pa no. Visit so ni.
Maupay.
Basta mo na siya.
It's waray. It's waray.
I watched that. Wait, sorry ha. I don't mean to offend the film, pero I watched the kun maupay man it panahon. I didn't watch yung kina Alex. Yung Vincent Kong! Nice shade. Unsa ni kun maupay man it panahon?
It's a movie.
It's a waray movie.
Alright ba na?
It's about a typhoon. Oo. It's about a typhoon. Then sila Daniel Padilla and Charo Santos.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Oh, money
So, where the weather, something?
Ako no, ma-attracted ko maining ani, ma-curious ko unsa ni kabahin. Kani maining ani ng mga titles.
Native mother tongue sa
Oh.
ibang man.
I would rather watch this than
Yeah.
katong Exorcist.
Exactly.
Wala gyud mo yung
Same point.
Oh. Pero mukhang basura. Ano yung sagot niya? So if we consider that kailangan talaga mag-step up. Okay, this is a separate comment pala. So first tong I watched the Kun Maupay Man It Panahon. I didn't watch yung kana Alex. Gaya na kung kamo endorse na mo films MMFF ni Agi para matanaw sa mga tao unsay nice na film.
nice.
One of the
Give one.
nice
Die
films-
Beautiful.
Die Beautiful.
Die
was
Beautiful.
good.
It's so
I
good.
also watched Sunday Beauty Queen.
Yes.
It was a very nice docu-film.
Yeah.
Ikaw coach.
Crayola.
Katong time nga, there was this time nga nagdungan tong siya sa tour na and katong unsa to? Katong sa manhole.
Babae sa TikTok.
Kana
I love the babae.
Nagdaghan na.
I love
sila.
that show. I love that movie rather. Oh, nice to siya. Oo. So, napoy laing comment diri sumpay pero mukhang basura is replying to MMF na kuan.
The Exorcist siguro na. Sorry.
Pero visit. Pero mukhang basura. So if we consider that, kailangan talaga mag-step up. You'd start yung mga indie na mini-mainstream na.
Yeah.
Mini-mainstream.
Big night.
Big Night. Katong si Christian Bables.
Mm.
Okay. Directed by June Lana.
So they're giving bitak sa una na indie films are very sa akong
Niche kayo siya.
no standpoint high school ko no akong perspective sa mga indie films like porn-ish ma-associate jud namo ako mga barkada ma-associate na mga indie films as oy kalinya ni mga X-rated films ana
mga bomba.
mga ana so, pero nili man nice mga stories
Corporate nights.
Ako, we always rented indie films sa kuan sa Video City. Familiar mo?
Yeah.
We had this store called Video City where, alam mo yun, ka to do? It was, every time you would go to Video City, malipay ka. It's like, morent ka. And then, tanawan roon, anak nito. And because of Video City, dito na ako na start og like ang mga indie films. Okay. So thank you very much, Video City.
Bati ako ang kuan ka ng experience sa Video City. Kaya ako nga, sige, wrong turn one.
Wapo ang mga laptop sa Video City.
Actually, wako mga question.
Wrong turn ang pangabangan
Diba?
ng ate.
O sana naman itong bahay nila, gwapa po to, pero who cares about the girl?
With our parents, we don't care.
Yeah. Sad to say, but I kind of agree. Low quality ang production, cinematography, and mostly ang topics na ma-showcase sa mga cinemas are kind of cliche. Especially rom-com. Though I believe, past tense man. Though I believe na naay great stories somewhere sa country na wala na natagan og spotlight. Sorry, katawag. It's time to step up to hashtag Padayon Pinas. There are greater stories somewhere else in the country. Diba?
Yeah, we have like great regional films. We screen a lot of like there are mga production companies that are like small scale who visit like loads mag-screening for mga regional films like in their native language with just subtitles, and they're really good, and like films with substance, films that are like very relatable sa Philippine experience.
And I think the Philippines needs that kay kita geographically separated ta. Geographically we're divided. So more and more, every time we meet someone else in another region, maglisod na communicate. Kaya the only way we can communicate is to English o Tagalog. And either mo communicate ka, i-lockdown ka, usahay. Kung English ka, ay, social siya, di ko arte. Kung Tagalog ka, ay, hindi ka balo, ayun na siya storyain, or katawaan ka. So, murag maglisod ka, so sabi po, ikaw po, di mo ka ganang mo storya. And I think if we have films po, makakuanta ba? There's this greater chance of communicating with each other. This is their culture. Expect na lamian ko sa mga questions, mga comments. Ako apod, yes, the appeal is still there, but in a selective way. Sa akong utok, it categorizes it. Pero di ba ang appeal? Selective mang good food na.
Kasi padayon sa
Padayon na sa
Sa akong utok, it categorizes it as, pwede malantaw ni, murag na ay potential, or pastilan, wa pa ni sila na human mga ingon ani.
That's no comment.
Mo na yung comment.
I see. Medyo polarizing mo good sometimes ng MMFF. There are times na there are movies with like, shit, lamig ito siya. Which sort of, I think, shows the potential of the festival na-enjoy mga films na lamig enjoy. Then na-apoy mga films na more suscolor. But like, it's the same product, different packaging.
Correct.
Over and over.
There's never an in-between. Murag, it's either pangit or nindot.
Oh, it's not like when you go to a restaurant. Here I am, comparing it to food. Go, mo ato kag restaurant, daghang selections, mo ato kag buffet. Of course, you're not gonna eat everything.
Exactly.
I like the sushi more than the puto. So I'm gonna go for the sushi, but then here comes your friend. No support. No support. Local. Aling Lourdes, the puto. Then I was like, but I don't like to eat Aling Lourdes puto.
Yeah,
correct.
But I love puto. It's just not that kind of puto.
Exactly.
Puta. Charis na. Then, napayla in comment, as for the need to step up and take the challenge, isn't that the point, though? To keep elevating or to explore different venues or ways to storytell. Kaya in a way, how they tell stories affect viewers' humor, point of view, and mindset. Lamit man mga no-brainer na movies, yes, but kana pong dili totally walay pulos ang story.
Correct.
Di dito
Exploring new ways of storytelling. Table 12.
dapat mag-evolve jud. Dapat mag-evolve jud ang film storytelling
Exactly.
through
And
films.
I feel like, get sa movie po, like, for example, ka mga camp, di ba? Most of the movies on MMFF camp, manggod, like, especially yung mga vice ganda ng films, yung mga exorcists, mga camp, funny ba? They're funny camp. It's a genre. It's a legit genre ba niya. I can appreciate that, manggod, but like, almost every single year, it's the same thing ba? The quality never changes. The storytelling never changes. It's the same thing over and over again. Makalago ba siya?
But then again, look at it now. Vice Ganda has been on MMFF for how many years and wala na pulaan. Na pulaan pero dili tanan. It's like it's always a hit. It's always a hit, and people like me don't get to see films like the other nice films.
Overshadow.
Oh, and then I don't want to watch MMF anymore. I am not interested in searching it on Google anymore because I know it's just MMF is equivalent to Vice Ganda na. Ano ito? Muna yung nakakait. So if you're gonna watch MMFF, give justice by watching all of the films.
Exactly.
Even just a part of them. Kaya murag, dapat makabalo ka. You can't say lang na mutilaw lang ka sa usa. Kaya lahi-lahi man na sila. It's not a cake. Na mutilaw ka sa usa ka slice na cake. Kabalo na ka unsay flavor sa cake.
True.
Dapat imo siyang tilwan ang whole
selection
cake.
Is it cheaper ba ang tickets sa MMFF?
Cake?
I think it's not. I think it's much more. I think
Ang cake?
500 ba siya?
Manila,
Mas expensive siya?
Mura.
Oh.
Saan pa kaya ni Vice Ganda dahil dili expensive?
I remember last time I watched 2 films, I spent 1,000 tagway to or baso
Yeah, but shouldn't it be cheaper? Because it's a festival, di ba?
500.
Ito yung ipagkita kay revenue mo good po aside from ano. Kikabulo mo sila nga darong mga tao. So ilang opportunity to para makabuhi sila.
Marag festival na kato yung Cirque du Soleil festival.
And the thing what I don't like though is like nagko kasi revenue pero ang quality sa film kaya dili mo reflect sa revenue nila pagka next year.
People are not getting their money's worth.
Exactly. I-compare niyo mo mga like sorry to compare but like sa atong mga Asian counterparts.
The story juka.
For example, South Korea.
Are you really sorry?
Sorry. I can't help but compare ba sa atong mga Asian counterparts like Japan, like South Korea for example, ilang mga films karon Oscar worthy na jud like and those are mainstream like an Parasite, that's a mainstream film ha. And that's Oscar worthy gani siya ang quality, ang storytelling, ang ilang pag-direct, ang acting. Lami jud kay ilang overall quality sa ilang movie industry sa South Korea because even their government mong good mo invest.
Yes, I was saying, like, you also have to think nga, daghan pong Filipino, like, films that were made by Filipino filmmakers nga madaog internationally, pero can't win here. So that's also something that we have to, ponder on. Kay, why can we win outside, pero dili? Pero and then if you compare the quality, ano kaayo ba? Like layo jud kaayo siya og quality. So that's also the problem.
Films, we have films that are very quality siya, but it's just that they should appreciated sa local kaayo kay dili po siya. We're gonna disregard siya sa mga local producers, mga film distributors, kaya kung sila nga dili mo balik kaya even if kamo sila nga ang quality is like puan there.
People need to step up.
Correct.
Yeah,
Not only the filmmakers, the audience po, they need to step up. They need to widen their kuan.
And also, kuan man good ang kaning sa Filipino producers kanang murag magsige sila copycat sa lain nga countries like if litan kaning naay mga Legend of the Blue Sea kantahay napoy andiri mag Filipino version ana katong Descendants of the Sun, siya. Then napoy Filipino version remake. Napoy nana ba so Usahay, munang makaingon po ang mga tao nga wala originality.
Pilig ba ta? Pilig
Oo.
ta mga Pinoy something kuan. Kamatay ko ha. Like if na mo hit na
Korean novela or
o
series.
internationally or line culture outside the Philippines.
Absorbe na to.
Oh, I'm sure. Kuan din assimilate tayo na to
Mm.
musunod na yun ta.
Like BL. Diba?
Ito to Meet Your Garden.
Gani.
Word naman tayo Meet Your Garden Pinoy.
Ano ba?
Na ba?
De,
Word na ata.
na ay high school musical katong kuan katong first day high.
Oh, pareha to Pretty Little Liars. When Pretty Little Liars came out, the TV series Pretty Little Liars, nagawa sinataan ka Elisa. Which had the same. Oh.
The same plot, the same conflict.
Oh.
Copycat lagi ka.
I mean, but di ba po siya manikan in film, di ba, we have trends from God. In pop culture,
Yeah.
Oo.
ano na siya.
Kung para sa una ba, like, tanaw maging mas, I'm going to telenovela sa akin, mas makakompare ko ba, mas, like, katong mga nice kitong magkaribal. Nice, yun ba magkaribal?
Gretchen og si
Gretchen og si
Nice to na
Bea
story.
Alonso.
Bea Alonso.
Nice to na story.
Mm.
Unique to. Wala ko kitag laing kuan na, sisters, then, the twist na sila may kaaway.
Something like that.
Cristala. She was a nice one hero. Darna. Spirits.
Ikantanja.
Encantadja.
Bulawin.
Very
O Katukat.
Oh yeah.
Nice to na twist. Mga anak.
Mga sitcom sa Pinoy. Nani man ang sitcom sa Pinoy sa una.
Ano lang yung tanawon.
Funny man. It was fun. Home Gariles.
Home Along the Riles.
Very Philippine.
Yeah. Kaya ni Mr. Kaya ni Mrs.
I don't think there's any other culture na that would showcase squatter life. Home Along the Riles, diba? Nice to siya.
Napatong kay Dolphy and katong kay Juan. Kay Dolphy ug katong kay Nida Blanca.
John and Marsha.
Jan and Marsha.
John and Marsha.
Katupol. Amazing. We had like
So I think ang kulang lang din siguro sa Philippine movies is kanang i-embrace ang atong culture without
Kuan man good po. Feel na ko ang mga tao mga producers mo embrace sila atong dali maka
what sells? We lack innovation. We have it man. We have naman the backbone. It's just that we need to innovate na jud. Okay, we've done a lot of things na like for example like Encantadia was like one of a kind jud. Like it was a fantasy series way before Game of Thrones.
And if they can't innovate, they they take away from the films before. Like ano ba? How did they do that?
Exactly.
Oh.
And also, kung ano magupod, ang katong Encantadia, based gid po siya sa lugar sa Philippines. Naagid po na yung Encantadia nga lugar. Na-Encantadas gyud nga kuan. Nga murag napapas na siguro sa mapa.
It was a whole universe yun ang Encantadia ba nga like they had their own language, they had their own culture.
Yes!
Based yun na siya
Oh
sa
my
lugar.
God! Makailan sa ka na. Wow, mas naunhan pa na mo Game of Thrones.
Yeah,
Correct.
Game of Thrones.
We have lots of floors, we have lots of like mga daghan kita.
I like this episode.
almost
Sayang dili magamit.
Lami kayo ang research team sa Encantadia.
ato nga tayo it was like one of a kind siya tayo like first of its kind jud. Kaayo.
Yeah, first of its kind. Jay.
I think pod sa kuan kanang sa standpoint sa producer. I mean, table 12 produces man pod. It's manggod, risky gyud if you like give money to the scripts nga kanang udili ka sure. But then again, kay kuan gyud siya kay it's a lot of money. Mas gani siya, mas mahal siya kaysa sa theater. I think.
Ikaw host, mag-ask ko ni mo host. Katong naghimo ka sa ikaw ako usahay kita. Na kay mga qualms about it na marag what if di nimo patok?
Oo.
Or were you patok?
That was a big
Which
risk.
by the way, ni patok jud siya. Ni patok ba yun na ikaw ako usahay kita? People talked about it. People who weren't into theater talked about it. So,
Pero pero as a producer, you have to know, like you have to kind of predict asa kutob ang imuhang ang story. like you have to take risks pod and you have to have those like sure nga mga stories. And it also helps if producer ka and you're also an artist. Kaya you would know how kanang ano ba, you would know how it would work, if it works or it won't work. Ang katong sa Ikaw, Ako, kami tanan like sila Chini, kami nila Jerry, we already knew nga mapildi yun to financially. But we had to do it kay kaptabalo may mapildi siya financially. Pero we had to do it kay it paves the way. It paved the way for Table 12. And that was actually the plan you'd put to have Table 12.
Sure.
So you really have to risk. Pero ang ako po dato naman na sila kaayo po. Yan sila mukuan.
All the money manggo.
Gani po.
They have a chance to change the world.
Maka 700 million ka in one movie.
But then
700
again,
million pesos.
it's money.
Kulang ilahang i-invest nila movie kay what? 10 million, 15 million.
But then again, it's money, so
But
matintang
Yeah.
talaga na sila.
Kwarta mo good food.
If only they had that kind of mindset na, hey, I can change the world.
Yeah.
I have a mouth to use na speak on behalf. Ano ba?
What a difference sa indie films. Good sa indie films ba, like, they have nothing to lose but they have everything to gain, basically. Because like, low budget, dunya.
That's why indie films are so good.
Ang challenge
They're
siya kay,
quality.
they have the sort of this mindset with nga work indie film man ta, since low budget man ta, wala man siya tayo chance nga mainstream. Hapon na kung tayo bahala na.
Nothing to lose mangod sila. Parang Table 12, nothing to lose.
Nothing to lose, everything to earn.
Correct.
Actually,
Here's another comment. We're on the same page then. I've been advocating support for indie filmmakers and producers from the government and the academia for years. Sad to say, unless leadership changes in the Film Development Academy of the Philippines, NCCA, and the Metro Manila Film Fest calling out, we could only hope for the best while we see our homegrown talents reap awards abroad. They are largely ignored in our own country. I can relate, mga nurse.
and also, when you think about it, work board sa MMFF is MMDA? Diba? Sakto ba, Hot? MMDA, diba?
Traffic?
Exactly. Sakto ba? Which is weird because it's a film
Wait, for real?
festival from the main producers kay MMDA.
Ato ko
You have to Google that. Let's Google that.
MDA man nga traffic man pang
Muna ni Metro Manila Development Association.
Oo.
I'm getting more lost with a minute.
Na-shock na ako.
Sakto, diba? MMFF MMDA.
Ay, MMDA.
Ay, oo, NMDA.
Diba? It's weird, no?
My mind is practically mind blown right now.
What's the connection? Dapat, it's a film siya dapat jud ang
Well, we can't say. Maybe there's like, maybe we don't know a lot about the MMDA yet.
it's on baka ng murag siya ga spearhead sa Keme, but I'm not sure why siya na connected sa
Oh my
MMDA.
gosh. Did we just uncover a conspiracy?
No.
Conspiracy theory.
Oh my God! Hindi po sila nagpapagawat na ako! Tulo kabayot buang ng pusil na kita ipalutaw sa Banica River.
Diba? So,
Merete.
Merese. Headline. Merese. Tulo kabayot buang ipusil nilutaw sa Banica River.
Correct yung mga libak.
Pero buhira. Kaya lutaw rin dyan sila.
close to it.
Oo.
comment regarding about MMFF films. Metro Manila Film Festival films. So, check ko na, MMFF films. Well, I don't agree that the Philippine cinema has lost its appeal. Ano comment ka? We see it. Because there are still a lot of Filipino individuals who still enjoy watching Philippine movies.
Yeah.
And I don't enjoy using the word watching sa imong statement. Kumura grammatically wrong. And I think what the Philippine film industry should work on is to improve on their production just like other countries do.
So, you know what?
Dili ko na siya mo agree na nawala ko nung appeal
Yeah.
sa Philippine cinema.
I agree with that naman.
Pero, ingon siya na dapat kung mo work ang film industry to improve their production.
Ang quality tinali sa
Ang quality.
sa ilang films.
The Philippine, wow, Sarah ha?
Sorry, there you go.
The Philippine.
Usara, Philippine ra.
Sarah, dili ka na!
You don't comment on the Philippines.
The Philippine.
Doghan, pero comment. Ato.
The Philippines. Okay. Collect.
Wala tayo lang. Wala tayo labot tayo.
Meaning,
So, Philippine ra gyud kay Metro Manila laman. Philippine ra, wala apil lang uban.
Kung mayroong kagbais, mayroong kagbai. Okay, kung saan naman.
Oh,
Philippines.
Kung taghan, bais.
Correct.
Philippines.
Oo.
yes.
Philippines. Okay.
So, Republic of the Philippine.
The Republic of the Philippines. Kung the Republics of the Philippines. Kung dagang Republics. Pero kung dagang Philippines, Philippines.
Oo.
Usa naman. So, the Republics of the Philippines.
Sa'yo pang kataler. Mo na siya.
Sakto siya.
Sakto siya.
The Philippines should really step up and take the challenge in such a way that we can produce world-class movies or films that we Filipinos should be proud of. O, di ba? Kabalugod siya, dili ito world-class. World-class. Where's it?
World class.
World-class. World-class. Step up.
Kuan mo balik ka sa linubrok nga kuan concept kay katong kuan man god murag considering our audience ba before. So since mga linubrok style kato po mga 1990s kuan pa siguro ang mga bet ato. So karon
Yeah.
nga 2000s na ta. So lahi na po. Oo. So if mag-direct si linubrok ka karon ya na mga millennials na for sure di mo nang ubenta.
Yeah,
It different
At a different time, you also have to consider bang like not on a different time, different generation, different issues po.
Correct.
So medyo
Different audience.
Different
take.
yeah.
We guess with Pinoy streaming movies and shows from all over the world, I guess our taste and standard has also shifted. The film industry should step up. So, mura gyapon, basically, maoy mga takeaways nato this ko ano.
Yeah, ang common denominator dito sa pag-step up.
Oo. Yeah, without realizing ba nga nag-step up naman jud ang movies sa kuan Philippine movies. It's just that wala lang jud tayo support sa first yung mga tao o wala support sa ato ang government because it is not as of now the priority, especially the pandemic. Kay dapat tayo i-prioritize good po. Nya mo to giingon ko ni direct before nga during the pandemic, i-prioritize good ang art industry, including the film industry. Patay gid. Epektahan gid.
Here's another one. Na-publicize naman, pero ang quality talaga ng film, even the reviews, super fail talaga sa moviegoers. Natatakot kasi ang PH film industry to take risk. Managing yun yung Huchi last time. Na mandok to risgo ang mga producers guro po. Pag sa movies, Pinas, pinaka-behind kay hastang baduya sa mga yawa.
Hastan ba this mga yawa? Take that in, keep it in.
Who are you? We should invite you. We want you next episode.
Oo.
Kung sa movies, Pinas, pinaka-behind kay hastang baduya sa mga yawa. Mayo pang indie movies, TBH.
Oo.
Oo. But rin mang good, uy.
Yeah, it's true.
Sorry, invite ka na. Di man ko hater ni mo. I love you, girl. Pero, kung ako'y naganahan na film niya na na-touch ko,
Wala.
di ko ka-relate.
Yeah.
And ma-expect ba po kung makarelate? Ang tanong, bayot-baya po siya.
Pero kuan ka ng mo po yung market.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nasa market.
Nasa market.
Mo pud lagi na. Mo pud na ang market ni mo. Pero ikaw ganang kasi ato the same changi every day, every week. Hindi ko gaman yanggi.
So, kada.
What's man yung pagkabalo asa pinaka-nice o tulingan kung ay kung sana mamanalang kung hindi ka mo explore og kuan mo nindot itong dito kuan tabuan dito sa
Oo.
we would never discover Malata pa if we stuck to Dumaguete Public Market all the time.
Tinood.
Gutumata ka.
Oo. Okay ra to keep up with the old classic movies, no? Pero make it good. As good as how Shake, Rattle, and Roll was in the 90s. Mura downhill ang quality sa movies. Downhill po ang quality sa Shake, Rattle, and Roll ng po. Itong White Lady, patayin sa sindak si Barado, it's not a Shake, Rattle, Roll movie. It's a classic horror movie. Oo. In fairness sa feng shui, no? Lamig ba po ng feng shui?
It was nice.
Oo, lamig ang feng shui. Katumak, Chris Aquino films, lamig to.
Actually, feng shui, Sukog was nice.
Sufog was nice. Katong ilang ka Kim po. Nice gamay itong ilang ka Kim.
Which one was that then?
Of course, as always, that's why we can't produce quality shit. O, diba?
It's the shit.
I hope makalibang ng quality na shit.
Okay.
Ako, malipay ko, malimpyo ko si mong lubot. Tiglimpyo mo kong lubot. Quality ang shit. I would be happy. So, produce quality shit. Eat your fiber, bitch.
Keep your quality.
And last of the comments, para nako murag politiko ako nagi-blur. para nako murag politiko akong acting kung mutubag ko ani. Bitaw para nako puro para niya. Pero para nako wala manawala ang appeal. Ang nakaapan lang pinili lang ang pwede makasulod ana mga kakulian. Murag filtered ang mga makasulod ba? Mao na makaingon sila balik-balik or nawala ang appeal. Dili lang sa MMFF murag tibuok Philippines dagway. That's all, thank you. Oh, polite. Dayon, mao nang dili ta ka blame sa mga bagong tubo nga mga batan-o naganahan sila K-drama. Kanindot man ang script og cinematography ilang ipagawa sige. Kumpara dili sa tuwa, bisag Christmas mag-horror.
Tinood. Mo lagi na sa MMFF. Nga naay katong The Exorcist, Christmas ba ito gipagawa?
Horror. Ha? Okay pa mo?
Oo.
There's a question there, Taler. There's a question there sa katong ask us about anything, which is also good. Katong production company about
What are the challenges of an independent production that you have encountered or you have you dread encountering? Na you have encountered or you dread encountering?
Budget.
Let's take it sa table 12 na
Budget.
as a growing or like coming out na kuan.
Budget good, I think, yung number one na biggest challenge of an independent company kay what they funding and even if like no matter how well
Passionate, talented you are.
it's just that resources wise and funding wise hindi tayo mabuga kay dili po ta binary rate kita no. Really reject that to.
And for table 12 has a lot of talented people, man.
If talent lang, I think naman we can find talent. We have talent. It's just that we can't
Fund the
find
talent.
the talent. That's the biggest. We should take any
Kanang bago na coming out, no?
especially now we're just fresh papunta and we're trying to establish ba.
The financial aspect of every kind of company, bisan dili lang production, is a big
One of the big
consideration. You have to water the plant.
Exactly. I think ang takeaway lang nako is
Okay, Dan.
So, wala to. Oo.
I think we're very man obvious man ang kanang ganun sa mga tao nga, they want to rate the quality of the films because they also believe in the Filipino talent, Jud. They believe that we have the talent, it's just that we lack the investment, we lack the support, and we lack the exposure sa ato ang masa. That's it. Love you all.
Correct. Ang ako lang is, as what they said earlier nga, kuan, karang ang sa taga ay, ang quality sa film yun, ang kuan, ang dapat i-raise ni sa Filipino producers and also the budget. And at the same time, responsible naman yun ang mga producers. Kabalo sila nga di sila dapat mo raise. But at the same time po, we as an audience, we have to be responsible for. Dili kay mo judge ra ta tungod kay bati ni siya nga film because of pinani, because of our reasons. So
watch the film first before you formulate your feedback.
Watch the film first before ka mohatag og feedback. Ana lang jud ako.
Ikaw, Hodge.
As always, it goes both ways, Manggod. Yeah, consumers can choose what they want to watch, but also you cannot just murag, don't judge the book by its cover. Ano ba? Because that was what we experienced in IAUK. Nga low turnout daw the first show, and then nidaghan siya the next shows because before nag-watch ang mga tao, they judged it na tungod kay Bisaya. Ano ba? So, but it also goes both ways nga artists also have the responsibility to create art that is worth supporting. So, yeah, ano lang Manggod, it's also our culture pod as Filipinos nga tungod kay local dili siya worth it or kanang unahon nako kani nga movie, kaning foreign nga movie because mas I think kailan ni ilang CGI, ilang ni ilang ingon ani, pero Filipino films can also do that. Yes.
Yeah. Ako, my takeaway is very lang short. It's just that if you expect good quality films, then you have the responsibility to make it like good quality films.
Correct.
Not only as the producer, as the filmmaker, as the actor, but as the spectator or the consumer.
Correct.
You watch, you support, you criticize, you react, and you ask for more. Ana.